How to make a Snapchat camera quality better. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to make a Snapchat camera quality better is you can simply go to your Play Store and then search for a Snapchat. So firstly, what you have to do, go to your Snapchat and go to your Play Store app and then search for the Snapchat, and here you have to tap on it. And here, if you can see in the place of open button, you can see here update button. So when you see the update, click on the update and update your Snapchat. So firstly, what you have to do, if update is available, then you have to update your Snapchat app. And after this, what you have to do is you have to again go back to your Snapchat app, click on your Bitmoji in the top left corner, and then click on the settings here in the top right corner. And then what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and here you have to scrolling down. So here you can see in the account actions tab, there is option of clear cache. So what you have to do is you have to clear cache, and then you have to again click on the continue clearing cache, and now it is successfully cleared cache. Now if I think it will solve your issue, it will make camera quality better. But if it doesn't make, then what you can do is you can go to your settings, and then you have to scroll down and then find the apps, and then click on the manage apps, and it works. It is similar for both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And then you can search for the Snapchat, and here tap on this, and then you come to this page. Here you have to tap on the storage, and here you can click on the clear cache, and you can also clear all data by clicking on the clear all data. If it doesn't work still, then you can click on the delete all data or click on the OK button, and then now you have and after that you can see the camera quality is better. So that's basically that how you can make camera quality better. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.